Hey guys, and welcome back to Mary J's Hauls. So the next video in this little Printful Etsy integration series is how we got our first review and what to do after that.
Yep, that's what we're going to reveal in this video. In the last one, we talked about the first sale, what to do.
And what happens after the first sale is.
And we showed our effort to finagle a review out of the customer without being pushy.
Yes.
Customer never responded, but we didn't ask for the review in the initial scroll up one, actually, to show them. So they didn't ever talk to us. We reached out after the order and just kind of like, if they, this is kind of like massaging your way in. And if they are nice and they respond, then maybe you say, hey, by the way,
you want to drop
a review would be awesome. Yeah, but they never responded, so we're not going to be pushy.
Nope.
All right, so in this video,
yes, we will be talking about
how we did get the review.
Yes.
All right, so this is the review. Sarai.
Sarai? I think it's Sarai.
But either way, we love you. Thank you for the review.
Yes, thank you so much. I am beyond happy with the quality of the t-shirt I purchased. It was exactly what I wanted. I purchased this item as a gift for a friend, and he's going to love it. Shipping was fast, and the seller was very nice.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
So they even put a picture of the product, which is awesome. They basically did like the golden ultimate review that you could ever ask for. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can even see like the quality of the print that Printful generated for us.
I know, so, it's not bad at all.
No, it's awesome. So I mean, I might have to buy myself one of those shirts. So that's the review, but how did we get there? Let's reverse engineer this. So this is actually what happened if we reveal everything. So unlike the first order that we got, where we reached out to the buyer, no response.
Yeah.
This is a more active Etsy buyer. So this is what she said.
So she messaged us saying, I'm interested in buying a t-shirt from you, but I have a few questions. What is your delivery time? Also, what is the brand of your t-shirts? Do you wear print design on? Last question is the design screen printed? I would greatly appreciate it.
So guys, one important thing if you're going to be on Etsy and try to like succeed as an Etsy seller, like you can be successful by default doing the minimum, but like I always have to reiterate, and it doesn't matter what you're doing in life, right? It's like if you're going to waste your time doing something, try to be a little bit better than the minimum, right?
Yeah.
So on Etsy, that can involve things like running a sale, making a good primary thumbnail, monitoring your inbox, which is what we did right here. Like instead of checking in like once a month, we're like, oh, an Etsy buyer messaged us. Okay, let's respond promptly, be very polite, and tell them essentially everything they need. So what's your delivery time? Well, they're made to order, typically shipped out within 3 to 4 days. What brand of t-shirt do you print on? Gildan 64,000 typically. Oh, but look what I did there. You see that? Wink, wink, what we did?
Yes.
We could, keyword, upgrade at no cost. What, guys, if you showed me the Gildan 64,000 and the Bella 3000, which I have both upstairs, like between the two, I don't have a preference. Let's just be fair. I don't have a preference. I honestly would probably choose the Gildan 64,000 because I like the way it like fits my muscles, but like, look at how we worded that. It's like almost like psychology, you know?
Yeah, upgrade.
We could upgrade you at no cost, and they don't even know what the difference between those two shirts are probably, Yeah,
in terms of cost basis, yeah.
Yeah. And then look at what we said. If you'd prefer, in exchange for a review, wink, wink, smiley face, shop is new, doesn't have one. And we just answered the last question. And then look at the result. Like, we got a glowing review.
Yes.
So
what is direct garment printed? Okay, that makes sense.
And that's pretty much it. So
yeah, and she just responded to the message. She placed her order on Friday. Oh, so this was a continuation of her review. Printful
got the shirt out quickly. You saw the print quality in her review. So
yeah,
basically best case scenario. I don't know if there's anything else. Nope.
Alrighty guys, thank you guys so much for watching this short little tutorial on how to get a review on Etsy. If you guys like this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment below. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day.